up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are back at Union Road, Carlisle, Ohio, near Franklin. And we have a CSX southbound coming. Just heard them over defect detected for miles plus 5.1, which is 51.3, I think, which is 6.1 miles that direction. Since the 45-mile marker is right there. So they should be here in probably 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, hope you'll enjoy the video. Here comes that southbound CSX Toledo subdivision, going south towards Queensgate Yard in Cincinnati, Ohio. We are a mile plus 4.5. They got some speed on. In this video, I do not have my tripod, so I'm going to be holding the camera every time. Unfortunately, I forgot my tripod. I really didn't know we were coming here until we were here, so I apologize if the camera's a little bit shaky. But yeah.